So hello everyone, so now I will show you the house progress or house update. So as you can see that there has an improvement, or so the cement flooring in our kitchen part is now finished. So as you can see that there is a part that there is no flooring, so that will serve as there is a part of the floor that didn't put cement. It is because that's the way down to the basement, which we call this stack room. So we will put everything our things in the basement. So once that the flooring, or once that it will dries, they will start building the wall, and after that you will move on to laying the flooring in the living room. As you can see that the front wall of our house is already finished too. So yeah, that's it for today. So yeah, so that's the dirty kitchen part, and ta-da! So that's the living room. So by next week they will start to build a wall, and after that they will start on in the flooring in living room. So that would be so that's all for today.